Good evening. My name is Dia Thomas. My today's topic for neurology is anatomy of pyramidal tracts. The pyramidal tracts are a part of the human system and are a system of the efferent nerve fibers that carry signals from the cerebral cortex to the either brainstem or the spinal cord. It divides into cerebral cortex to the either brainstem or the spinal cord. It divides into two tracts, corticospinal tract or corticocobular tract. The hierarchical theory of the motor control describes hierarchical nerve system communications which are extended through the brain, brainstem, spinal cord and peripheral nerves. The origin of the pyramidal tract is from the cerebral cortex and it divides into two main tracts, that is corticospinal tract and the corticocobular tract. Primary motor cortex. The Brodmann area 4 refers to the primary motor cortex of the human brain. It is located in the posterior portion of the frontal lobe. Supplementary motor areas. It is a part of the frontal lobe of the primitive cerebral cortex that is responsible for planning in the initiating voluntary motor movements. The premotor cortex is a region in the frontal lobe of the brain that controls voluntary muscle movement and is also involved in movement preparation of the motor planning pathway. The sequence of the reaction usually controlled or catalyzed by enzymes by which one organic substance is converted to other. The upper motor neurons originate in the motor cortex of the cerebrum, also known as the guide. The crossing of the corticospinal tract fibers from one side to central nervous system to other near the junction of the medulla and the spinal cord location. It continues onto the spinal cord injury just above the origin of the first pair of the cervical spinal nerve. Function. The pyramidal tract is a system of the nerve in which the brain controls voluntary muscle movement. The ability of consequently move the body, starting with the initiation to move the prefrontal cortex, is the limb area. There are different clinical results such as it causes lesions, pyramidal tract, which includes stroke, tumor, hemorrhage, meningitis, trauma, even multiple sclerosis. Now, treatment. It is usually, it can be diagnosis or it can be treated with the medications, physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy, surgical therapy also. Okay, thank you.